Have you decided that your house has become too much for you and are looking for a change? Too much housekeeping, too much yard work, too many stairs? Does the idea of a single floor home with minimal exterior maintenance, lots of potential friends, and amazing community amenities sound right up your alley? If so, a 55 and up community could be the perfect fit for you. These aren't the quiet, sterile retirement homes that you think of when you think of your grandmother and your great-grandmother. These are like luxury resorts. Resort style living with pickleball courts and tennis courts, indoor and outdoor swimming pools, bocce ball courts, painting classes, pottery classes, so many events and classes and get-togethers, walking trails, and neighbors with common interests who are just waiting to be your new best friends. Today, I'm going to be sharing 4 of the top 55 and up communities that the Greater Raleigh area has to offer. But there are so many amazing active adult communities in Raleigh. If you'd like a more comprehensive list of all of the 55 and up communities that Raleigh has to offer, reach out and I'll be happy to send that list to you. You can email me, call me, text me, whatever works best for you. My information is at the end of this video and in the description below. So first up, let's talk about why Raleigh, North Carolina is a retiree's paradise. We've got a little something for everyone here. We've got 4 distinct seasons with mild winters, beautiful parks and lakes and golf courses, fantastic healthcare systems, world-class universities, and enough restaurants and cultural events to keep your social calendar fully booked. And the cost of living in Raleigh may be much more affordable than some of the other retirement hotspots like Florida or California. And let's not forget about Raleigh's fantastic location. If you have family coming in for a quick visit or you need to get away, Raleigh-Durham International Airport is close by for all of your domestic and international travel needs. Plus, it's just a short drive to the west to get to the mountains or the east to get to the beach for a week or a weekend getaway. North Carolina has it all. If you've decided that a 55 and up community is the perfect fit for you, the Greater Raleigh area has some amazing ones to choose from. And now, in no particular order, here are 4 of the top 55 and up active adult communities that Raleigh has to offer. First up is Carolina Preserve. Located 30 minutes west of Raleigh on the western side of Cary, Carolina Preserve by Del Webb is a popular active adult community located within the larger Cary neighborhood of Amberley. Residents can enjoy a resort-style lifestyle with access to the impressive 34,000 square foot clubhouse, featuring a state-of-the-art fitness center that offers personal trainers, a dance studio, a pottery studio, indoor and outdoor pools, and spaces for social gatherings. The community offers over 100 club and interest groups, from gardening and crafting to photography and pickleball, ensuring there's something for everyone. Walking trails and greenways wind through the established, beautifully landscaped grounds, making it easy to stay active. Built between 2006 and 2013, all homes in Carolina Preserve will be resale. There are a wide range of size homes here, from 1,100 square foot villas sharing a joined wall to small and large single-family homes. Homes of all sizes will have primary day-to-day living on the main floor. Carolina Preserve is one of the more established 55 and up neighborhoods in the Raleigh area, as well as one of the more expensive. With a fantastic location and easy access to Raleigh-Durham International Airport, Research Triangle Park, it's only 1 mile to the local Publix grocery store and under 3 miles to a large shopping plaza, plus all of the amenities that I mentioned earlier. Carolina Preserve offers a perfect balance of an active social lifestyle and accessibility, and is therefore one of the pricier 55 and up community options. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back to At Home with Jody. I'm Jody Whitehurst, a licensed real estate broker in Apex, North Carolina, helping empty nesters, retirees, and more with their downsizing journey in Apex and the entire Greater Raleigh area. If you have any questions about 55 and up communities in the Greater Raleigh area, or just questions about selling or buying real estate in the Raleigh area in general, please email me, call me, text me, whatever works best for you. Community number 2 on our list is Encore at Chatham Park by David Weekley Homes. About 45 minutes west of Raleigh, you'll find Pittsboro, one of the fastest growing towns in the entire Greater Raleigh area. Nestled within the developing 8,500 acre master planned community of Chatham Park is the 55 and up community of Encore. Offering residents everyday first floor living and amazing amenities, Encore features a beautiful 5,000 square foot clubhouse. Its common area features lofted ceilings with natural light where you can sit with friends to watch TV or sit playing cards by the fireplace. The clubhouse also offers a full kitchen, meeting rooms, and both cardio workout facilities and a workout room for instructor-led classes.
Behind the clubhouse is a beautiful pool, a hot tub, indoor and outdoor bar area, meditation garden, fire pits, putting green, and tennis and pickleball courts. Residents can also enjoy miles of greenway trails, restaurants, and live music in Mosaic in Chatham Park under a mile away. Downtown Pittsboro, about 3.5 miles away, and nearby Jordan Lake for those who like to enjoy outdoor or lake activities. Homes in Encore at Chatham Park started construction in 2023 and still have plenty of new construction homes to sell in the community. Encore offers 3 series of homes: villas, or 2 villas joined by 1 wall, and the Tradition series and the Classic series, both of which are single-family homes ranging from just over 1,400 square feet to just over 3,000 square feet. Here's a quick walkthrough of the 3-bedroom, 2,457 square foot Moorfield model home in the Tradition series. Pittsboro is a little bit farther away from RDU International Airport at about 35 to 40-minute drive, but there are plenty of shopping, dining, entertainment, and healthcare options nearby, making it a great choice for those seeking an active and engaging retirement lifestyle. As a side note, future plans for Chatham Park include the highly anticipated and very hush-hush Disney community of Asteria, set to break ground in 2027. Asteria will have its own 55 and up section.
The Greater Raleigh area is quickly becoming a retirement hotspot for all that it has to offer. Beyond the amenities and activities that each individual 55 and up community has to offer, the nearby cities and towns like Chapel Hill, Durham, Raleigh, Cary, Holly Springs, Apex, each individual local town has amazing restaurants and live music and theater and all kinds of outdoor and cultural events to enjoy. Next up, number 3 is Regency at Holly Springs, a Toll Brothers community.
Located 30 minutes to the southwest of Raleigh, Regency at Holly Springs is a brand new luxury 55 and up active adult community in Holly Springs, North Carolina. With convenient proximity to Cary and Apex, Regency brings unmatched luxury to a sought-after location. There are endless opportunities for socialization, relaxation, and private amenities just for Regency residents, such as a pool, clubhouse, pickleball courts, plus social membership to the nearby 12 Oaks Country Club, with all of its amenities and its beautiful Jack Nicklaus designed golf course, restaurant, trails, garden, and more. A golf membership at 12 Oaks would be an additional fee, but if you enjoy golf and join 12 Oaks, as a bonus, you would also have access to nearby McGregor Downs Golf Course. For more information on top country clubs of the Raleigh area, watch my video here. Construction started in Regency in 2023, and as of the making of this video, you can still buy new homes here. Offering 2 collections, the Journey Collection and the Excursion Collection, single-family homes range in size from 1,680 square feet to over 2,450 square feet. All have first-floor primary bedroom suites, and as long as you aren't purchasing an already constructed quick move-in home, you would have the opportunity to personalize your home at the Toll Brothers Design Studio. As in most 55 and up communities, lawn care is taken care of for you. With convenient access to Route 1 and Route 540, and with easy access to shopping and dining, Regency is also a 25-minute drive to RDU International Airport, 10 minutes to downtown Holly Springs, 15 minutes to downtown Apex, and 30 minutes to downtown Raleigh. Here are a couple of quick walkthroughs of model homes here at Regency to give you an idea of layout and design possibilities. Next up, we have the brand new Altis at Serenity community by Tri-Point Homes, located in Fuquay-Varina. Fuquay-Varina, or just Fuquay, is about 40 minutes southwest of Raleigh. Because Fuquay is farther away from the airport and farther away from Raleigh and Research Triangle Park, you'll find that communities in Fuquay will be amongst the most affordable of the ones that we discussed today. The Altis at Serenity community is nestled within the larger, very popular community of Serenity. Altis has literally just begun selling at the time of this video and will ultimately offer 425 homes for the 55 and up crowd.
Because Altis at Serenity is so new, there's not many homes to show other than the model homes, so I'm going to show you a couple of those just to get an idea of the layout and what the possibilities are for you. If you're building from the ground up here at Altis at Serenity, you have a lot more choices. You can have all of your living on the first floor, you can add a second floor, you can kind of tweak the design to fit your personal needs, or you can buy a spec home once those are built. As long as you like the design that they provide, then it's move-in ready.
Altis offers 3 collections: the Groves, the Pines, and the Meadows. All are single-family ranch or 1.5-story new construction homes ranging in size from just under 1,300 square feet to just over 3,000 square feet. Sales have just commenced, and they anticipate that initial move-ins will be in December of 2025. The Altis clubhouse, pool, and amenities have not begun construction, but are anticipated to be ready in the summer of 2026. Until then, residents of Altis are able to take full advantage of the pool and all of the amenities that the Serenity community has to offer. Altis at Serenity is less than 10 minutes from downtown Fuquay, where residents can enjoy many dining and shopping options. Fuquay is 40 minutes from RDU International Airport, 15 minutes to downtown Holly Springs, 30 minutes to downtown Apex, and 40 minutes to downtown Cary.
So are you ready to make the move? Raleigh really caters to the 55 and up crowd. Its active adult communities offer a lifestyle that's fun and fulfilling. Before you pack your bags, here are a few tips to find the perfect 55 and up community for you. Number 1, visit multiple communities. Get a feel for the vibe. Ask residents what they like and dislike about their life there. Number 2, check amenities. Make sure that they match your interests. Not all active adult communities offer the same amenities. Number 3, ask about HOA fees. Because of all that you're offered at a 55 and up community, the fees can be quite expensive and no one likes surprises. Number 4, think about proximity. Are you close to your friends, your family, your doctors, and other important features in your life? Be sure to check out in the description below links to all of the communities that I mentioned in this video. And don't forget to reach out if you'd like that complete list of all of the 55 and up communities that Raleigh has to offer. If you have a home that you need to sell before moving into a 55 and up community and need guidance, or have questions about the sales process, or just have questions about life in the Raleigh area in general, please reach out. Thanks for watching. I'm Jody Whitehurst. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you have someone in your life who's thinking about starting their next chapter.